Good morning, students. Today we are going to see length given in your textbook, page number 128. What do you mean by length? Length is the distance from one end of an object to the other end. Okay. How you can measure length? In earlier, we used our own body parts to measure length. So that is called as non-standard units of length. Okay. How you can use your own body parts? The length of the tip of the middle finger to the elbow is called as cubit. This is one cubit. From the tip of the middle finger to your elbow is called as cubit, and the tip of the thumb to your little finger, the distance is called as hand span. The tip of the index finger to your knee bone is called as one finger. Next we have foot span. The distance from the tip of your toe to the heel is called as foot span. And what do you mean by pace? The length of one step while walking is called as pace or stride. This distance is called as pace or stride. Okay, so why it is called as non-standard units of length? The body parts measurement may vary from one person to another. That's why it is called as non-standard units of length. My hand span will vary from your hand span. The size varies now because of the age. So it won't be same. That's why it is called as non-standard units of length. Then how can you measure standard length? Let us see that. A scale or a ruler is used to measure the length. That is the standard units of length. It is graduated. Yes, you have seen a scale. The scale is graduated. You can see small markings in the scale. Yes, small lines. So one line indicates 1 millimeter. From 0 to 1 you have 10 lines. So 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. A small scale will be having from 0 to 15 centimeters, and a long scale will be having 0 to 30 centimeters, and a meter scale will be having 100 centimeters. So 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters makes 1 meter, and 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So if I am going to measure the distance from our school to railway station, you will measure that in kilometers. Okay, if I am going to measure the length of our classroom, we will measure that in meters. If I am going to measure the size of your pencil or book, we are going to measure that in centimeters. So smaller objects you use centimeter, longer objects you use meters, and very long distance you measure kilometer. So what is the standard unit of length? The standard unit of length is meter. So meter starts in m. So it is represented in the short form as m. So the standard unit of length is meter. Thank you, children.